Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another Tricky Words video. So let's see what we've got in store this week. This week is all about our P's and Q's. So our first word that we're going to look for today is probably. Probably. Getting to the bottom of the map now. Probably. There it is in the blue brick. Probably. Let's have a little look at it. Probably. So if something is probable, it might happen. It will probably rain tomorrow. Okay, so when we're spelling it, probably. So we've got that ly on the end to help us. Our next word today, our next word that we're looking for is promise. Promise, can you find it? Next to probably. Promise. If you promise something, then you will make sure that you always do this thing that you promise. I promise I will always be your friend. Okay, we've got the word prom in the middle there, prom, and it's I-S-E on the end, promise. Our third word today is purpose. Purpose. Again, beginning with P, promise and purpose. Purpose. So what is the purpose of your visit today? Why are you doing something? What is the purpose of going to school? Well, of course, the purpose is to learn. So it's why are you doing something? So we can use our sounds per, P-U-R, purpose. It's quite a tricky one, that one. Our next word is a Q word. So we've done our P words, now we're on to Q. We've got the word quarter. Can you see it? Quarter. Of course, this is a maths word, quarter. We ate 1/4 of a pizza. So a quarter is when you have 1 of 4 equal pieces. And we just have to learn how to spell it. Quart, Q-U-A-R, quarter. Looks like quarter, doesn't it? And finally, we have the word question. There it is, question. It's a word we use a lot. Question. So it's got that T-I-O-N on the end. If you ask a question, you will find out an answer. Okay, let's see. It's quiz time. Grab your piece of paper and your pencil, and let's see which one of this week's words is hiding behind our blocks. Can see people. Look like they're talking. Oh, I can see a punctuation mark in the middle. All of these people are asking a question. Can you spell the word question? Write it on your paper. Question. Let's see if you got it right. Question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. Great job. Here's the second one. What word's hiding this time? Looks like food. Cheesy food. Oh, I think I know. It's a pizza. The pizza's been cut up, hasn't it? If I ate 1 of these 4 pieces, I've eaten a quarter of the pizza. Can you write down quarter? Quarter. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's see if you're right. Quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Great job if you got it right. Here's number 3. What's hiding now? Lots of thoughts in somebody's head. This person is asking why something is happening. Why something is happening. When we ask why something happens, we want to know the purpose of our job. Purpose. Can you write down purpose? Let's see if you're right. Purpose. Don't forget that P-U-R at the beginning. Purpose. Purpose. Here's number 4. You're doing so well. I can see some children doing something with their hands. I think I know what it is, do you? They're making a promise. Promise. Can you write down the word promise? Remember, it's promise. See if you're right. Promise. P-R-O-M-I-S-E. And our final one today. Not much of a clue there. Lots of white. The word says, can you read it? Maybe. If maybe something happens, then probably it will happen. Probably. Can you write down the word probably? See if you're right. Probably. P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y. Great job, guys. Hope you got 5 out of 5. Keep practicing and you'll soon get full marks on your spelling test. See you next week.